Hello everyone. We are from Gokaraju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology. Our topic is SmartGas Measurement Device. The motivating scenario behind choosing this topic was that people with only a single gas cylinder in home face problem of having gas run out without warning. And also there might be a possibility of theft by the distributor as he might reduce the gas in your cylinder to make profits.
In the earliest stage of a project, we used this weight scale to determine the gas in the cylinder, but we could not use this weight scale because we were unable to tap a signal out of this so that we could show this digital reading on an LCD screen. So we were unable to use this.
When we were searching for an alternative, we couldn't find any. So we have consulted our lab in charge, our mentor, Mr. A. Radhanan, and he suggested to use a load cell. And you can see the load cell over here, and its capacity is up to 45 kg. So as our cylinder weighs only 30 kgs, the maximum, the household cylinder. So we thought that the 45 kg will be enough. The load cell consists of 4 wires, in which these two are the inputs which used to power up the load cell, and these two are the outputs that come from the load cell. And these two outputs we have given to an amplifier which is INA 125 by Texas Instruments, and this the output of this Texas Instrument amplifier is given to the microcontroller.
The output of this load cell is being given to this Arduino Uno microcontroller board, which converts this analog signal into a digital signal and will display on the LCD board. As you can see, there is no weight on the load cell board. This is the load cell board, and you can see, and there is no weight on the load cell board, so the display is 0.0. We have displayed this output of the LCD screen on a mobile phone also. This is the output which you can see. This gets refreshed for every 1 second, and a project also has an extra facility that it will sense if there is any gas leakage. This is the MQ5 gas leakage sensor. It will sense if there is any gas leakage and will display on the LCD screen if there is any gas leakage, and also on your mobile phone too. The app we used for displaying on the mobile screen the output of the load cell was Bluetooth app. This app is already available on the Google Play Store.
Now we're going to demonstrate the working of our project. Let's consider this battery. We're checking the weight of the battery on the scale. It's 8.8 kilos. Now let's check the weight of the battery on our load cell. Now as you can see that the load is 8.7 kilos in this, and you can see the display in the LCD as well. Here we see the reading as 8.8, and you also see the notification called please book. We have set a threshold value of 16.2 kilos so that if the weight is less than 16.2 kilos, you get a notification called please book. Now let's make another demonstration with 16 kilos, which is 17 kilos, which is more than 16.2, and see what the notification is. Here as you can see, we put up 2 batteries on the load cell. Now you can see the display on the LCD as 17.6 kilos, where we have 8.8 kilos for each, and there's no notification called place a booking. Now as you can see in the mobile phone, the display is 17.6 again, and you don't have a notification in this too.
As we know, these days there are a lot of gas accidents taking place all over the country. So we thought of providing an additional feature which consists of a gas detector MQ5, which alerts the user whenever there is a gas leakage in our household. Now we are going to show a demonstration of the gas detector using a lighter.